Hey guys, today we will be creating this effect. So let's start with a text node. Enter the text you want. Press 2 to preview. Now add a duplicate node. Press Ctrl space, type duplicate and add it. Press 2 to preview. Now go to the text node and go to the layout. Now put it on the top left. Now in the duplicate, give the number of copies you want horizontally. I'll go with 5 maybe. No, 4 should be fine since it's not fitting. You can reduce the text size and increase the number of copies you want. Now add another duplicate node. Press 2 to preview. Now give the number of copies you want vertically. I'll go with 10 and reduce the y value. Okay, now add a 3D shape. Click on this icon and change the shape to cylinder, and now add a merge 3D and renderer 3D and connect it to media out. Now press media out and press 2 to see the preview, and add a camera to see it properly. Connect it to merge 3D and give maybe 5, increase the Z value to 5. As you can see, the cylinder shape is big, so reduce the radius. Maybe 0.3 should be fine. Now copy this shape and paste it. Now connect this another shape to this output of shape 3D. This will create a new merge. Now click on the shape 3D and reduce the radius just slightly and change the background so you can see the text. Let's organize these nodes a bit. Now add a transform icon, press on merge 3D 2, press Ctrl space and add a transform 3D node. We don't do anything with transform 3D now, it will be useful later, but you have to add it first. Now add a duplicate 3D node and give the number of copies you want. I recommend to give 2 or 3 more than what you can see on the screen. So I go with 8 since I think 5 will be on the screen. Now go to the transform and drag it to the left. Reduce the X value. Since it's 3D, it might take some time to see the preview. And in the duplicate, increase the X offset. So now go to the transform and go to the first frame, and now we will animate the X value so that it doesn't use much 3D nodes. If you have seen my last tutorial, it's the same. With this technique, you don't need to have extra 3D data. We will just loop from whatever we have. So adjust the X value until you don't see it on this empty space. So this should be fine. Or maybe even further, so we can move it to the right. Okay, this should be fine. Now you need to click on this diamond icon to set the keyframe. Come to 30 frames. Now you need to add a value to this number which is exactly one difference. So what do I mean is, go to this duplicate. So the difference is 0.7 between one and another. So you just need to add 0.7 to this number here. So minus 3 plus 0.7 is minus 2.3. So you don't see any change here. That's because it's exactly looping on that place. So also you need to animate the rotation. So go back to the first frame, click on this icon beside Y rotation, go to 30 frames. Now enter the angle you want. I go with 60 and click on spline. Now select X offset, press Ctrl F, Ctrl A, right click and set loop and select loop here for X offset. Now close this X offset and select Y rotation. Now press Ctrl A to select the points, right click, now select relative in the set loop. So this way the movement will loop and also the rotation. Now we will set the camera angle as shown in the preview. So go to the camera. First we will rotate. We will see the angle how much we want, and then we will reduce the Y value. So we will get the desired angle. Okay, this looks fine to me. So now if you preview, let's add a background and preview at a time. Add this background node, connect it to the render 3D output, press Ctrl T to invert foreground and background. Now add a background of your desired color. Now let's preview. So see you in another video. Thank you and bye bye.